Hello friends, let's discuss simple future tense sentences. I will go, I will go, I will come, I will come, I will eat, I will eat, I will sit, I will sit, I will say, I will say, I will meet him tomorrow, I will meet him tomorrow. He will be 10 years old tomorrow. He will be 10 years old tomorrow. They will get married next week. They will get married next week. He will stop at 9:15. He will stop at 9:15. He will certainly come here. He will certainly come here. He will certainly win this race. He will certainly win this race. He will possibly wait for you. He will possibly wait for you. He will probably wait for you. He will probably wait for you. This paint will completely dry by tomorrow. This paint will completely dry by tomorrow. You will get better in couple of days. You will get better in a couple of days. We will take a decision very soon. We will take a decision very soon. We will win the match. We will win the match. I will need some more money. I will need some more money. These shoes will last more than 2 years. These shoes will last more than 2 years. The class will be over at 6 o'clock. The class will be over at 6 o'clock. We will send it by post. We will send it by post. The shop will remain open on Sunday. The shop will remain open on Sunday. I will read this book once again. I will read this book once again. I will talk to him about this. I will talk to him about this. You will get this job. You will get this job. He will be at home now. He will be at home now. This summer will be very hot. This summer will be very hot. Mangoes will be cheap this year. Mangoes will be cheap this year. He will only listen to his mother. He will only listen to his mother. He will never listen to me. He will never listen to me. He will never answer my questions. He will never answer my questions. Accidents will happen. Accidents will happen. Most soaps won't lather in sea water. Most soaps won't lather in sea water. Food will keep longer in the fridge. Food will keep longer in the fridge. It's very cold. Shall I shut the window? It's very cold. Shall I shut the window? Shall we eat out today? Shall we eat out today? Shall we leave now? Shall we leave now? What shall we do now? What shall we do now? Where shall we meet? Where shall we meet? Shall I drop you at the station? Shall I drop you at the station? Shall I help you to lift this box? Shall I help you to lift this box? Where shall I put this bag? Where shall I put this bag? Which book shall I buy? Which book shall I buy? How shall I do this? How shall I do this? You shall get your right. You shall get your right. She shall be permitted to go there. She shall be permitted to go there. Don't worry, I shall be there to receive you at the station. Don't worry, I shall be there to receive you at the station. They shall not come here. They shall not come here. I will do this gladly. I will do this gladly. He will come now. He will come now. I will need your help. I will need your help. Thank you for watching my video. Subscribe my YouTube channel Jobs at Punyanagari.